In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger a webhook in make.com. We'll start from the make.com dashboard. Once you're signed in and looking at your workspace, head over to the left-hand column and open the scenarios area. This is where all your automations live, and it's the place to create a new one that reacts to incoming data. Create a new scenario. You'll see a canvas where you can add modules. From the list of available apps and services, choose webhooks. This category is designed for scenarios that start when something sends data into Make, either through a standard HTTP request or by email. Here you'll pick between two options. A custom webhook triggers when Make receives an HTTP request at a unique URL. This is ideal if another app, a form, or your own code can send JSON or form data. A custom mail hook triggers when Make receives an email at a special address it generates for you. Use this if you want emails and their contents or attachments to kick off your automation. Choose the one that fits your source. If you're integrating with an app that supports webhooks, select the custom webhook. If you want to trigger from incoming email, select the custom mail hook. Next, create a webhook. Make will prompt you to set it up, and this is where it generates the endpoint or email address tied to your scenario. Give your webhook a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple triggers. Names like lead form incoming, support email intake, or Stripe event listener help you stay organized. After naming it, save your webhook configuration. This locks in the trigger and for a webhook, produces the unique URL you'll use to send data. For a mail hook, it provides the special email address. Keep these details private. Anyone with access could send data into your scenario, so treat them like credentials. Finally, save the scenario itself. You've now set up a starting point that listens for data the moment it arrives. When your selected source sends an HTTP request to the webhook URL or an email to the mailhook address, Make will catch it and pass the data to the scenario. From here, you can continue building your automation by adding downstream modules to store, transform, or forward that information. But your trigger is ready. That's it. You've navigated to scenarios, created a new one, selected webhooks, chosen the right trigger type, created and named the webhook, saved the configuration, and saved the scenario.